If you're ready to improve your audio game, I have just the microphone for you. That microphone is the Blue Yeti, and chances are your favorite creator probably uses it or someone on YouTube that you watch uses this microphone. The Blue Yeti has been in the game for a while, and for good reason. It has great build quality and great sound quality, and those two go hand in hand together. In this channel, I always talk about budget options when it comes to microphones, but today we're going up a little bit. Now, if you guys are interested in the budget options when it comes to microphones, I have two videos, which is the Voya M3031 and the Voya M1. I will leave those links in the description or somewhere in the YouTube card. Okay, moving on. The Blue Yeti is a microphone that you can find anywhere from $89 to $130 depending on where you go look. And of course, if you want the best deal possible, I would recommend you guys to go and look for it on Amazon or eBay. Jumping into the build quality, to be honest, this is one of the best things about this microphone. Like I said before, the microphone has great build quality. It's full metal except for your buttons like your volume, mute, and your gain control. The metal build on the microphone makes it look super good. It's super durable, appealing to the eye, and it just looks nice in every way that you put it on in your setup. When it comes to durability, the Blue Yeti is off the charts. You can drop it, bang it around, and this thing will be just fine. It's childproof 100%. When it comes to usability, you can use the microphone for whatever you want. So if you want to use it for streaming on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, interviews, podcasts, this microphone does it all. And all this is possible due to the nice sound quality that you get from the microphone. By the way, if you want to use this microphone for interviews, it has this nice little feature where it records from the front and the back. Just something to keep in mind, the audio quality drops a little bit when you do this. Talking about sound quality, I will be doing a sound test in just a minute, so if you're still watching, subscribe to the channel. By the way, the microphone does come with a little stand and it looks super good with the stand, but if you prefer to have it mounted on a boom arm just like I do, like you can see behind me, you're also able to do that as well. And now, with no further ado, let's go ahead and do a sound test. New angle right here, but as you guys can see, I have the Blue Yeti right in front of me, and the audio that you guys are listening to right now is coming from the Blue Yeti. Let me know how it sounds, let me know what you guys think about it, and we'll do another test but without the filter and stuff. Same angle, now we're testing the Blue Yeti, but there's no filters, nothing like that on it. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you guys see any difference and if you guys like how it sounds. I think the microphone sounds pretty good, it's pretty smooth, but let me know what you think about the microphone. So it's a really good microphone for the price. There's a reason why a lot of creators use it. Great build quality and great sound quality as well. If you're looking to upgrade to another microphone now that you have a little bit more money, this can definitely be what will take your audio to the next level. And if you're still looking for a budget option when it comes to microphones, I recommend you to watch one of these two videos. Good audio quality for a low price. Peace out.